Hey y'all, it's Miss Gross here. We're doing lesson 1, what are scaled copies? Before you get started, make sure that you have the guided notes that say lesson 1. Our learning target for today is I can tell whether or not a figure is a scaled copy of another figure. So let's go ahead and get started. And remember, pause the video anytime you need to write something down. All right, so we have examples and non-examples. So in the the left-hand side of your slide, we've got an example of scaled copies. So if you look, all the Y's, other than the size, the shape is still the same. The second drawing is a larger copy, and the third drawing is a smaller copy. But they have the same shapes, but different sizes. So the shape is the same, but the size is different. So that's an example. For non-example, if you look at these, the second drawing is more spread out, and then the third drawing is more squished in. And so these wouldn't be a non-example. They would, because the shapes do not look the same, they have to have the same shape in order to be a scale drawing of each other. And then here's another example. You've got your original T, and you've got 3 drawings. And if you look at them, the first drawing, it's the same width, but it's a different length, so they are not the same shape. So drawing 1 is not a scaled copy. But if you look, drawing 2 is a scaled copy. If you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is double the size. So this would be double the size of this. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 exactly. And then this one would, based on the looks of it, it looks like it's 3 times the size. And so scale drawings 2 and 3 are scaled copies of the original drawing. And then we've got some key vocabulary I want you to write down. A scaled copy is a copy of the figure where every length in the original figure is multiplied by the same number. Here's an example. DEF is a scaled copy of ABC. So these are the exact same shape, they're just different sizes. And the reason why we know that is if I multiplied 6 by something to get 9, well, 6 times 1 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12. So 6 times what to 9 is 1.5. So 6 times 1.5 is 9, but 5 times 1.5 is 7.5, and 4 times 1.5 is 6. So on this one, each side length was multiplied by 1.5 or 1.5 to get the corresponding side length. So that's how you know it's a scaled copy. All right, so hopefully this helps you know which ones are scaled and which ones are not. Make sure you put this in your red notebook and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.